Greetings, seekers of truth and fortune. Welcome to the Point Taken channel of the Mystic 12, where the veil of the future is lifted and destiny's secrets are revealed. If you are drawn to this sacred space, it is no accident the stars have guided you here. Like and subscribe to stay connected to the cosmos and unlock the mysteries that lie ahead. In this prophecy, we delve into the cryptic verses of Nostradamus, the man who saw through time. His words echo through the ages, revealing a celestial align meant of unimaginable fortune. August 2024, a time marked in the stars, a time for abundance to flow like a mighty river. Are you ready to receive your blessings? Open your hearts and minds, for the universe speaks to those who listen. Prepare to have your fortunes revealed, for the time of reckoning is nigh. Amen. Aries, the ram, the firstborn of the Zodiac, your fiery spirit burns bright. You are the embodiment of energy and enthusiasm, a beacon of light in the darkness. Your presence is felt by all, and your influence is undeniable. You are a pioneer, a trailblazer, unafraid of the unknown. Your courage knows no bounds, and your determination is unwavering. You forge paths where none existed before, leading others with your fearless heart. Nostradamus speaks of a great awakening, a spark igniting a wildfire of fortune. This is not just a moment, but a movement, a shift in the cosmos that heralds a new era of prosperity and success for you. The stars whisper of a long-awaited reward for your unwavering courage. A testament to your relentless pursuit of passion, they tell tales of your bravery and the battles you fought, promising that your efforts will not go unnoticed. August 2024, the month of your triumph, the month where your dreams take flight. Mark this time, for it is the beginning of a new chapter, one filled with boundless opportunities and endless possibilities. The wheel of fortune spins in your favor, Aries. With each turn it brings you closer to your destiny, aligning the stars in your favor and setting the stage for your grand success. A golden opportunity arises, one that will set your heart ablaze with excitement. This is a chance to seize the moment, to grasp the future with both hands and mold it into your vision of success. Embrace the flames of destiny, for they hold the key to your financial liberation. These flames are not to be feared, but to be welcomed, as they burn away the old and make way for the new. Nostradamus saw a ram bathed in golden light, horns overflowing with riches. This vision is a promise, a glimpse into the future that awaits you, filled with wealth and abundance. This is your prophecy, Aries, a destiny written in the stars, foretold by the ancients, and now coming to fruition. It is a path laid out for you, waiting for you to walk it with confidence and grace. The universe conspires to bless you. Every star, every planet, every cosmic force is working in harmony to bring you the success you deserve. Trust in this divine plan and let it guide you. Open your heart to receive this divine gift. Let go of doubt and fear and embrace the abundance that is being offered to you. This is your time, your moment to shine. August 2024, remember this time, for it will be etched in your memory as the moment your life transformed. This is the dawn of a new era, one where your dreams become reality. The stars have spoken, and their message is clear. They herald a time of great change, of prosperity and joy, a time where your efforts are rewarded and your path is illuminated. Abundance is your birthright, Aries. Claim it, step into your power, and let the world see the greatness that lies within you. This is your moment to rise, to shine, and to claim the success that is rightfully yours. The fire within you will guide you, Aries. It is a beacon, a source of strength and inspiration, leading you towards your destiny. Trust in this fire, and let it light your way. Trust your instincts, follow your intuition, and watch as the universe unfolds before you in miraculous ways. Your time is now. The stars have aligned, the universe is in harmony, and your path is clear. The stars have aligned in your favor, Aries. This is a rare and precious moment, a time where everything falls into place and your dreams become reality. A new chapter begins, one filled with prosperity and joy. Step through this door with confidence and embrace the future that awaits you. Embrace the abundance that awaits you. Amen. This is your time, Aries. Seize it with both hands and let your light shine brightly for all to see. Taurus, the bull, grounded and steadfast, a symbol of strength and resilience. Your strength comes from the earth itself, drawing nourishment and power from its depths. You are known for your practicality, your unwavering determination, and your love for the finer things in life. Your hard work and dedication are evident in everything you do. Nostradamus speaks of a bountiful harvest, a time of unexpected abundance. The fruits of your labor are ready to be reaped, and the rewards are plentiful. Your patience, dear Taurus, is a virtue that is about to be richly rewarded. You have waited long and worked hard, and now the time has come for you to enjoy the fruits of your perseverance. August 2024, the earth yields its bounty, and you are first in line to receive its riches. The dawn of a new era is upon you, filled with promise and prosperity. The stars whisper of a windfall, a stroke of luck that will leave you breathless. The universe has conspired in your favor, aligning the stars to bring you fortune. It may come from an unexpected source, a long-forgotten investment, or perhaps a stroke of pure serendipity. The surprises that await you are beyond your wildest dreams. Nostradamus saw a bull grazing in a field of gold, its horns adorned with precious jewels. This vision symbolizes the wealth and abundance that are destined for you. This is your prophecy, Taurus. The signs are clear, and the path to prosperity is laid out before you. Abundance is at your doorstep. Open your heart and mind to receive the Gifts that the universe has in store for you. August 2024, a time for celebration, a time to indulge in the fruits of your labor, gather with loved ones, and share in the joy of your success. The universe recognizes your hard work and dedication, and it is ready to shower you with its blessings. The earth provides Taurus, and it does so abundantly. Trust in the natural order of things, and know that you are deserving of all the good that comes your way. Embrace the peace and tranquility that come with knowing you are on the right path. Your time to prosper is now. The wealth and success you have longed for are within your grasp. The stars have aligned in your favor. Taurus, the cosmos itself is guiding you towards a future filled with abundance and joy. Prepare to receive the abundance that is rightfully yours. Open your arms wide and welcome the blessings that are coming your way. Amen. Leo, the lion, radiant and regal, your presence commands attention. You are a natural-born leader, generous, charismatic, and destined for greatness. Nostradamus speaks of a royal endowment, a fortune befitting a king. Your time to shine is now. Leo, August 2024, the sun, your ruling celestial body, showers you with its golden rays of prosperity. The stars whisper of a grand opportunity, a chance to step into your power and claim the wealth that is your birthright. This is no time for timidity. Leo, the universe rewards the bold. Nostradamus saw a lion bathed in sunlight, its mane a cascade of gold. This is your prophecy. Leo, abundance flows to you as naturally as a river finds the sea. August is also a time for celebration, a time to embrace the luxurious life you were destined to live. The universe recognizes your inherent worth and is ready to bestow its blessings upon you. The sun shines brightly upon you. Leo, embrace your power, step into the spotlight, and allow the universe to shower you with its abundance. Your time is now. The stars have aligned in your favor. Leo, prepare to receive the royal treatment that is rightfully yours. Amen. Scorpio, the scorpion, intense and enigmatic, you are a symbol of mystery and power. Your presence is felt deeply and your influence is undeniable. You possess a power that runs deep like the currents of a hidden river or the secrets within a dark cave. Your strength is not always visible, but it is always there waiting to be unleashed. You are a force of nature, passionate, resourceful, and capable of incredible transformation. Just as the ocean waves crash with relentless power, you too can weather any storm and emerge stronger. Nostradamus speaks of a phoenix rising, a symbol of rebirth and renewal. This is not just a metaphor, it is a prophecy of a jackpot that will change everything, igniting a fire within you that cannot be extinguished. Scorpio, a time of profound change and unexpected rewards. The stars have aligned to bring you opportunities that you never imagined possible. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances to bring forth a wave of prosperity unlike any you've experienced before. This cosmic energy is swirling around you, preparing to bestow its gifts. The stars whisper of a transformative jackpot, a sudden influx of wealth that will shift your entire reality. This is not just about money, it is about a complete transformation of your life. This is more than just financial gain. Scorpio, it is about unlocking your true potential and stepping into a new phase of your existence. This is about stepping into your power and claiming the destiny that is rightfully yours. Stand tall, for you are on the brink of greatness. Nostradamus saw a scorpion, its tail shimmering with golden light, transforming into a magnificent eagle soaring towards the heavens. This vision is a testament to your ability to rise above challenges and achieve greatness. This is your prophecy. Scorpio, the ancient texts and symbols all point to this moment of transformation and triumph. Embrace the change, for it leads to unimaginable riches. Open your heart and mind to the possibilities that lie ahead. August, a time to shed your old skin and embrace the abundance that awaits you. Like a snake shedding its skin or a flower blooming, you are entering a new phase of growth and prosperity. The universe recognizes your strength and resilience, and it is ready to reward you beyond your wildest dreams. Your journey has prepared you for this moment. Trust your instincts, Scorpio, for they will guide you towards your fortune. Follow the star that leads you to your destiny. The time for transformation is now. Just as a butterfly emerges from its cocoon or a phoenix rises from the ashes, you too are ready to embrace your new beginning. Embrace the abundance that is rightfully yours. This is your moment, Scorpio. Amen. The stars have spoken, revealing a future brimming with possibility. August 2024, a pivotal moment in time, a time for dreams to be realized and fortunes to be made. Remember, seekers, the universe rewards those who are open to receiving its gifts. Embrace the prophecies, trust in the cosmic plan, and watch as your life transforms in miraculous ways. Until next time, may the stars guide you towards your destiny.